Hello, welcome back to our YouTube channel once again, and in this lecture we will show you how to install Java Jdk 11 on Linux, Ubuntu or any Linux distribution. Now in here what you have to do is you can install Java Jdk in two ways, either using terminal, or you can either download the files from the browser and you can install them. So first we will look how to install it using terminal. What you have to do, open any terminal in the Ubuntu you have, and first you have to see whether you are up to date or not. So type the command sudo apt-get update, enter the password, and it will show you whether you are up to date or not. Here it's updating and we are up to date. Now what you have to do, you have to add the you have to add the Java repository in your system, and there comes a command. It shows sudo add apt-repository ppa linuxuprising Java. I have already installed, and it might show me that it's already available, but you have to follow the same commands, and you can download using the same commands in your own system. Here you have to click enter and wait for a few minutes until it adds the repository into the system. Now once again you have to enter the command sudo apt-get update to be sure that it will update the repositories. Now it has updated the repositories, as you can see here in Bionic Linux Uprising Java. So now you have to install the Java Jdk. So click the sudo apt-get update Oracle Java 11 installer. Click enter. Oh, sorry, I have to put here the install, not update. So install. Now it's installing. It shows that it's already installed. Here is already the newest version, so it will install. If you don't have, it will install the newest version of the Java 11. And now what you have to do is to set it the path and set it to the default. So click here sudo apt-get install Oracle Java 11, and you have to write the set default and click enter, and it will set it to the default Java application. And now if you can write the Java version, it will show you the version of the Java. So we are done with the terminal, and it will set the path by default when you will write the command sudo java set default. And this is how to install Java in terminal. And now if you wanted to download manually, suppose you are having some problems in the terminal, now what you have to do is go to your browser, go to the Java official website. Now click on download. Here accept the license and click the Java Linux 64. I have 64-bit. If you have 32-bit, you can click on that. I'll click on this 64-bit here, and it will start downloading. Here it shows the downloading. The speed is very high, but I have already downloaded it. And now what you have to do is go to your files, and it will be available in the downloads. Now you will see the JDK 8 here, JDK Linux x64. You have to extract it here, and I have already extracted it here. So you have to copy this into a folder. What we will do, and we will open the terminal in the same folder. Open on the terminal, and now we will see. First we will change the location, and we will cd to user. User is a directory that's hidden. You cannot enter the user without the slash, so you have to set the slash. Here we will see the ls, and we will go into the local. And here you go to the Java. If the Java does not exist, you have to make a directory mkdir, but you have to use the command as sudo mkdir make directory and write the Java, and it will make a directory for you. But I have already make it. I will enter into the cd. Now here I am in the Java, and if I will click ls, so I am here. I have here JDK. So what you have to do is you have to copy this file into the folder JDK here, Java. So how you can copy the file is you can open this in the terminal here, and you can write the command cp. You have to write the sudo cp, that means copy the file, and write the name of the file here like JDK 1.8.0 191 to give it the direction where you want to copy it, the user, and then we have the local, and we have after that Java. And when I will click enter, it will say it is already available in that folder. Oh sorry, I forget the R here, so I have to write the same command again, and I have to write the cp R. Now it will copy the folder into the directory, but I already have it there available, so I don't have to do that. It may take some time to copy the files. And now what you have to do is set the path. How you can set the path? You have to enter the file. It's called the etc profile file. So we will do here, we will use the nano editor, sudo nano. Nano is an editor, and you can use any. Gedit is another, or you can use Sublime, any text editor here, but I will use nano. etc profile. You will enter the profile. Now here is our file, and you have to write this path into the file. At the end of the file, it says the Java home is equal to user local, and I will write down it into the description, in the description of the video, and you can copy paste it here. But if you don't have pasted, what you have to do, if you have another version, suppose you have updated version, and maybe you will install after a few months, 2 months, 3 months, and there will be the another version. Here I have 1.8 this, sorry, I have 1.8. I have to change the path here. So what I will write, I will write my version of the Java. So I have written the 1.8.0. this is the version of my Java file, and now you have to export the Java path, you have to export the JRE home, and you have to export path. Now we are done here, and we have set the path in here. Make sure that you have copied the exact location where it is. Maybe you don't have Java in here and you have it in another location, so you will give that location. Now after that, after writing these lines in here at the below of the page, what you will do is you will save. Control O means we have written the profile, enter, and Control X, it's going to exit from the file. So we will see sudo apt-get update. We will update it once again, and it will update all the repositories and the Java path. And now if you again click the Java version, it will show you the Java version. And if you give the Java command, we don't have. it will show you all the help from the Java command, what you can do. We don't have given it a name of the Java program, so let's write the first Java program in our Ubuntu. Write nano. First we will change the location cd, and we'll clear all the screen. We'll go to the desktop, and we'll write an example here, nano hello.java. Here what we have to do is we have to write the Java program, so we will write class, let's write it hello. In here we will write the main class. It says public static void main string arguments, and what we will do is we will say system.out.println hello world. Now Control O to save the file, and Control X to exit from it, and now we will compile the file, and we will write javac hello.java. And now if we say here our Java program is here, and here is the class file hello.class, and now we will run the class file and write java hello, the name of the class. It's not the program, it's the name of this class. So we write hello, and we'll see here hello world. So we have successfully installed the Java, the JDK 11, and we have already also run a program, the hello world basic program in the Linux. And in the next lecture we will talk about how to install Eclipse, and in the further lectures we will install Android, and we will set up the Eclipse for the Android programming. And this is for this video, and thanks for watching. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.